We want 6-speed, not 5-speed anymore. I'm tired of it.
Are you tired of it? Are you tired of the 5-speed life? You want that 6-speed double overhead drive life, like I got?
They're fucking stronger.
Only with all-wheel overdrive. I mean, with all-wheel drive.
Yeah, and they're stronger. I won't be blowing second gear the center diff apart.
I mean, you haven't in a while.
No, thanks.
In a while.
The custom built.
Yeah,
my custom built 5-speed Legacy.
Actually, yeah, you're not wrong. We are experts. He's actually the real expert, but we are experts at taking this motor and transmission out. So, anyway, hey, I'm back at it. Fat Man Fast here. Yeah. Just come to show y'all a couple of goodies that I came across for cheap. We're talking dirt cheap, and I think they're gonna work. They're gonna work. Yeah, right here. This is old. I know they're old. Holley doesn't even make these anymore, but they're still aluminum, and they are apparently Brodex casted these for Holley back in the day. These are like a early 2000s, late 90s head, so they're not gonna be as good as AFRs, but you know, a little port work maybe and shit. And oh yeah, put my springs on there, and we might be going somewhere. But here's the real kicker. That right there, the forged, apparently a forged crankshaft. Oh yeah, and it came with a Lunati cam, custom cam, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not, because mine's a little bit bigger, so we'll have to see once. But this is the real kicker. Yeah, that combined with this forged I-beam, H-beam. I forget which one's the big boy rods. H-beam. The big boy rods. And a good forged piston with some good cutouts. And yeah, look at that thing spins like that. But we got to go through it just to make sure everything's good. And yeah, a whole new 331. Yeah, this is 331 cubic inches, by the way, same as my old motor, but with better parts than even I had, except for the heads. The heads are, I'm gonna have to, but they'll work for what I want to do now, and just get it on the road
to play with and get
turbo it and stuff. So TC, probably about early next year, coming for you.
If not winter time.
Coming for you. If not winter time, well, we'll see what happens. And it came with a clutch, pressure plate, and flywheel. Came with all the bearings.
Yep.
All the bearings. Yeah, they're in the car. I ain't gonna get those out. I wasn't gonna worry about getting those out. Paul's gonna get them out. Paul's gonna get some out. Yeah, bearings with yeah, Cleveite bearings and piston rings. Came with piston rings. Everything. It came with everything. The head studs, which I have had
these are head bolts.
Yeah, I've had studs. We'll use those. But hey, that could be for an extra backup. Oh, that too. Yeah, that too. Hey, well, actually, no, you'd have to get the pistons. Which, hey, you know what? Bet if I can get a piston, just one piston for that, 30 over, we'll throw it in your 351, have it balanced to the rest of the rotating assembly. I'll give you this cam. Well,
I'll get a converter.
Okay, let me change that. Do you want the cam?
Yeah, I want to put a cam in that truck.
You want the cam?
Yeah.
Okay, I won't sell it. I won't sell it.
We'll have to figure out how to get that injection system to work with it, being as big as it is.
Oh, you're gonna have to have it tuned.
Yeah.
Or throw a carburetor on it. One of the two. Yeah, just chunk that bitch.
It's a little lean here. That's the feel to it.
Yeah. I mean, if you want it, I won't sell it. Because I was gonna sell it.
Cam in there, in it.
Okay. I won't sell it.
You got a 351 bottom end.
Okay, I won't sell. No, that's not the right bottom end though. Remember?
Yeah, all you gotta do is pull that. You got pistons too. All you gotta do is get one piston.
Yeah, I got pistons.
351 rod.
For the. I'll get one piston, and then well, I was thinking, well, I guess we can have it. How do we get a crank?
Yeah, we go.
Or something. Anyway, something will happen. So yeah, I wasn't thinking about selling it, but it's not for sale anymore. Sorry, guys.
Unless you get the right price, unless somebody wants.
You know what? See, if you give me $400, I'll probably be like, you know what, that's understandable, $400. But other than that, if you don't want to pay $400 for the cam, then you can't have it because Paul wants it.
It's right there, $400 to buy the gaskets for everything we need to slap that thing together.
Gaskets ain't that much. Anyway.
Gasket, oil pan gasket, timing cover
Yeah, I
gasket,
know.
intake.
I know. Well, I'm also going to sell that turbo header that I got too. Try to. I'm gonna post it up here soon.
I would.
I had a turbo B series header that I was gonna do some fan dangling on that thing, but it's just not worth it. So I'm gonna sell it.
It's too much work.
Yeah, it's a little too much work. Let me change that. I'm not a fabricator, and my buddy fabricators don't want to do the work. I would do the work, but it's my car, so you know. Other guys are like, no, I don't feel like doing that. But yeah. So that's where we're going. We was gonna pull the motor out today, but yesterday we came across a hella deal. All of that. Should I tell them the price?
I would.
Should I?
I would.
Yeah, I'm gonna go $2,000, $2,000 for all of that. That rotating assembly is worth $1,400. Those heads back in the day were at least worth 12 to 18, somewhere in there, give or take.
The rods alone are $700.
Yeah, well, I just did the rotating kit that I just glanced at, was like $1,400. I'm not even sure if it's with the H-beam or not, but yeah.
Yeah, but still, though, like I say, though, that
Or whatever rods those are.
Eagle H-beam rods, you're
$700 bucks.
$700
Yeah.
for a fit.
Yeah, so we got a hella deal. Hella deal.
Pretty much like I said.
Like we had, I was, when I saw the post, when Paul gave it to me,
like, oh no, it's going to Fat Man.
yeah, he gave it to me, and I'm like, oh, 331, $2,000, and whatever. Started reading through it, I'm like, oh shit, this is worse than money. And he's selling it dirt cheap. So we got it, and I think next week we're gonna pull the old motor out, because I got an engine stand that I'll let somebody borrow that we're getting back. So yeah.
Because I need to put my other motor up on the stand and send the sheet up.
Well, I mean, if we get an engine stand free again, when we
I got
do.
one at the house.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I just need to find a machine shop that can pull that broken head bolt out.
Yeah. Yeah.
If anybody knows somebody in Fort Smith
that does Subaru stuff,
that will actually take the time and pull a broken head bolt out of an EJ block, let comment in Fat Man's post.
yeah, I'll pass it off to Paul. I can't be your typical street racer. I have to, like, yeah, I got this, that, and that, and that. And I'm not a straight up guy. I'm not a, nah, man, I got so-and-so. But I do have some ideas to be a little bit of shady with fish, but whatever. But if I ever get to that point, there'll be a video of that too later on. It'll be after it's brought out and, you know, running on the street.
Tested.
Like, yeah, tested, and it'll be like side content if I ever get that far. But yeah, you won't know till after it's already happened, and I'll already have good of this content out, and then I'll put the stuff that we did on secret projects if we ever get that far. Yeah. Right now we're not far enough. I can only do like one project at a time. Anyway, yeah, on that long ass note, I'm gonna call it here. So Paul, anything to say?
Go subscribe to Fat Man.
There we go. I don't do that enough, but you know, if you want to subscribe, that's fine by me. I'm not here to make money. I'm just here to make some content, and if money comes along, then that's great. But if not, I'm happy the way it is, just to show y'all what I do, show y'all how I do things around here. I'm very, very hard-headed, as everybody knows.
Yeah.
Yes, he is.
He'd only be fast if he did a junkyard 5.3.
Oh my God, 8.1 baby, 8.1 the world. Hey, oh yeah, one of my buddies, we have a deal. If he 3.5 Eco Boost swaps his Chevy truck, I'll 8.1 my Mustang, which I don't mind, because I follow a guy that does an 8.1. Them things are way underrated compared to everybody's like, oh, they're glass cannons. Well, this guy's proven they're not. Anyway, all right, on that note, for the third and fourth time, Fat Man Fast signing out.